paws. So, it's actually working. You can. Assalamu alaikum, friends. My name is Ayesha. If you are new to my channel is all about art and craft. So, there are a lot of fun in those art and craft. You should see my videos. And today, we're gonna do a review of this Pingy Pals. So, let's get started for this review. Let's open it. Let's see what's first. We got instructions. We got some straws. I wonder why. Got glue. A tool. Let's see what's inside more. Oh, it sounded like googly eyes. Oh, it's googly eyes. And some squishy balls. Anything is more inside? I think so. Yeah, these are happy faces and wings. So let's get started. So, I know these instructions already. So, let's start. Well, first, I will think which one should I make. I think I'll make a mouse. Perfect for the cats. For that mouse, I'm gonna take some pink straw. 2 straws for the leg. Or they have 4 legs. I think they have 4 legs. And there. Right. Get these aside. And let's use the tool to break them. Put these in. And I don't know what to do. Hold it with your left hand. And hold this. Oh, that's hard. Let's see. I wonder how it works. But why isn't this moving? Well, we just insert this. Alright, let's start it. I know how to do it now, so we'll start it. Oh, it's actually working. I think so. Oh, I made some. With help of my mom. Mom made a little tail. So it's time to make. So it's time to get these squishy balls out. I wonder what they feel like. I will do the mouse yellow. So hard. Okay. For the nose, I'll take red, of course. Tiny one. Alright. I got a tiny ball for a nose. I hope you can see. I've already got the ears out and 2 googly eyes. So it already comes with a, and then you know what you say it, glue. So, and I need a big red ball. Yellow ball. Every ball is just saying, get me out, get Meow. Don't get meow. So, already done to take the fluffy balls out. It's time to make the maps. First, I'll attach the glue. The wiggly kind of legs, I keep on forgetting things. Just glues or squishy. You can just hold in your hand the glue. Okay, so attach. It's so small. And it's so fast. Oh, I forgot to take some fruits out. Which color should we take? I think yellow will not look nice, but no, let's take a different color. How about pink? Good. Let's take some, 4 of them. I got 3. Now let's do 4. The yellow comes out. Okay, we got 4 balls. Some more glue. And let's take another leg and attach. Good. Press it so it's already good. And the next one. And pick another one. Ooh, it's beautiful. Now it's only for the tail. You can get old kind of pom-poms that you have put in basement old days ago. That's it. You can take anything you want. So I think the tail is good. I took a yellow pom-pom from the tail. It's time to do the face. First, I'm gonna do these cute ears. Okay, let's do it. And I'm gonna do it this right here. Oh, some glue for another ear. Oh, so much. And follow us on Instagram and don't forget to subscribe.